and it's a Tepa Government Hospital. If situations are not resolved in the next 48 hours, the hospital is to be closed down. Tepa Government Hospital. And therefore, watch this now. Okojaman will pause this video. Go back to the current situation as at Enra Enyumre. And therefore, this is the current situation at Tepa Government Hospital. A total darkness. Patients are hitting their heads on walls. Nurses are struggling to see even panier. And in fact, administrators are in limbo. The situation is chaotic. Total blackout for the last almost 3 weeks. Our Tepa Government Hospital. No light, no water. That is the dangerous situation. On Facebook page, video I will show you. Your machine call off. Theater rooms.